This view out, guys. Oh my god, such beautiful view, right? So we're gonna do some tests, blood test of the car. Stadia has burnt something. Magdala. Wow, guys. So guys, this is the next day. So from yesterday, I didn't vlog anything. So right now, I got an issue in the car. There's that coolant which is the coolant level has dropped down. So because of that, I need to go and top up the coolant. So that's the reason I am going now with the car, the Skoda. So let's see. I'll top up the coolant, and then I'll catch you guys. And I'll explain you in the car what it is exactly. So we are here. Paris Park Club. So yeah, let's resolve this issue. Dad was telling like from so many days, there's some sign coming up in the car. It's coolant is less. So yeah, let's go and do that work first. Copyright strike, guys. Oh. So guys, there's no sign over here though, but then let's go. I'll take it over there and I'll check it up because I also have no idea what's the issue because Dad had told me coolant, some sign is coming, it's in. So yeah, let's go. I've got one workshop. We'll go there and check it out. What's the issue and resolve it. Let's go. So guys, we are on the way still. I've reached this side, Seraulim side, heading towards Betal Blatem. Check this view out, guys. Oh my god, such beautiful view, right? This is all field area, this side and this side. Check it out. Isn't it beautiful? People have grown this actually sideways, both the sides. See, both the side equally they have put, and it looks nice also. The view also when you pass by. If you park your car there and take a nice picture, you get a nice capture. So yes, we're on the way. Let's see. Let's go. Still now there's no sign on the this dash thing. So yeah, let's go and ask them what's the issue. Hey guys, we're in some inside road. It's saying take a right here. Okay, we take a right here then we go straight. Where is this? Yeah.
Your destination will be on the left.
Okay. It's on the. Oh wow! Check this house. Nice house, huh? Tanai. Okay, guys. First I'll see, and then I will show you guys. Because I'm also come first time over here. My friend suggested me this. Okay. See you guys later. So guys, I finally reached over here. Car is parked here. Check this out, guys. This is like heaven for all the car lovers. There's one BM there. A lot of other cars here. So wait, I've told that guy, so he will check. He's a little busy that side, so he will check and he'll tell me what's the issue. So yes, I'll wait till then. A nice house also there. So guys, basically the issue is found in the car. The coolant was less. You can check here. See the level over here. Minimum, less than minimum it is. So this is the reason why it was showing that sign. Yes. This is the level. So I will top it up. So I will top that level up, the coolant. And I've told him to, he said there might be a leakage, so he will do a quick test to check if there's a leakage in that. So I have to wait another 15-20 minutes, he said. So we'll check that, we'll top it up and then we'll go. Yes. So guys, check, this car has become so dirty. Yeah. I have to give it for a wash. I have to see here all this chicken. It's so hot here. It's sweating like crazy over here. So guys, here the car is parked right now. So So we're gonna do some tests, blood test of the car. So yeah, what's happening? I'll show you also, guys. This is the color of the coolant. So yeah, let's see what's he doing. Then I'll show you guys. See a beauty, a babe. I like the tire of it. Shape also. So guys, basically the work is done. I'm just leaving from there. So I showed you right that coolant was less. So I just topped it up and he checked. He did some test over there to check whether there was a leakage. But I think there was a little minor leakage. So that's not going to worry much. So he said like if in case it gives me a problem and all, so like within 1 week I'll check and then I will come back to him. Or else you never know, I'll give it to the company itself because it's due also for service, so I can do the whole service like of the car. So yeah, so let's go now. Nice houses are there in this area. Oh, this lady has burnt something. Wow, guys, there are nice places over here, huh? 400. Okay, anyways. So I'm going now. Let's see. I might take the car for a wash because it's very much dirty and I need to get it cleaned because it's hot also these days, and these days you have to keep your car cool and sexy and cute. So there's one place I saw over there for car wash. So let's see. So guys, we're coming at the beach right now. I thought I'll just pass by. So just thought I'll come and check for you. Check out these guys. It's almost 1, no, so there's no one on the beach right now. Our beach is there, we are parked. So yes, we are at the beach right now. Yeah. This is Sarnamatim beach. I used to come when I was in college that time. There's some event over here. See, there's some people over there and some one dog swimming there. There are some ships over there, small boats. Camera is not taking focus. So I thought like I'm passing by this side, so just come and just see. Because I love beach. I come and I sit and just sit for long hours like and stare at the sea. See that's it. Still guys, see you later. I'm enjoying the breeze.